Now see here, a galvanometer coil has a resistance of 15 ohms. So, we can write G is equal to 15 ohm, and the meter shows, that means a galvanometer shows full scale deflection for a current of 4 milliampere. So, that is the current through galvanometer can be written 4 milliampere is equal to 4 into 10 raised to power minus 3 ampere. How will you convert the galvanometer into an ammeter of range 0 to 6 ampere, that is I is equal to 6 ampere. So, now we have to calculate the value of the shunt which has to be connected to convert galvanometer into ammeter of the range of 6 ampere. So, we can write S is equal to Ig into G upon I minus Ig. So, we can write here 4 into 10 raised to power minus 3 into 15 divided by 6 minus 4 into 10 raised to power minus 3. Here this is ohm. We can solve it here. S is equal to 60 into 10 raised to power minus 3 divided by 6 minus 0.004, that you will be getting 60 into 10 raised to power minus 3 divided by 5.996 ohm. So, when you solve it here, you will be getting this one, we can take here 6 into 10 raised to power minus 2 divided by approximately 6 here in that case. So, we can write here this cancel. So, that is your 10 raised to power minus 2 ohm. So, this is the resistance which has to be connected here in the parallel with the galvanometer's resistance.